Good morning to all my YouTube viewer families. So today's current affair first question is, which section of the Income Tax Act 1961 will declare PAN card as inoperative if not linked with the Aadhaar card? Answer is section 234H. As per the new section 234H of the Income Tax Act 1961, which has been recently introduced during budget 2021. The PAN card which are not linked to Aadhaar card after June 30, 2021 will be declared inoperative, as well as penalty of rupees 1000 may also be imposed. Number 2. Dash named Ambassador of Forest Frontline Heroes at WWF India. Upasana Kamineni, WWF India has inducted Upasana Kamineni, Director, Apollo Hospital, as Ambassador of Forest Frontline Heroes with the aim to appreciate the effort of frontline workers in hospital and in the wildlife protection space. Number 3. Name the author of the book titled The Seventh Sign of Being a Mother. Answer is Tahira Kashyap Khurana. Filmfare writer Tahira Kashyap Khurana has announced her upcoming book about motherhood titled The Seventh Sign of Being a Mother. Number 4. Bharti Airtel and Dash have announced a strategy partnership for implementing 5G network solution for India. Answer is Tata Group. Bharti Airtel and Tata Group have announced a strategy partnership for implementing 5G network solution for India, which will be available for commercial development from January 2022. Number 5. Who will be the first transgender athlete to compete at Olympic? Answer is Laurel Hubbard. The New Zealand weightlifter Laurel Hubbard is poised to have history and headlines as well as significant controversy after being confirmed as the first transgender athlete to compete at an Olympic Games. Number 6. Markets Regulator, Security and Exchange Board of India has reconstituted into 4-member takeover panel. Who is the chairman of the panel? Answer is N.K. Sodhi. Chairman Justice N.K. Sodhi, former Chief Justice of High Court of Karnataka and Kerala, and presiding officer of the Securities Appellates Tribunal. Number 7. Name the app which was unveiled by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the occasion of the 7th International Yoga Day. Answer is M-Yoga. On the occasion of the 7th International Yoga Day on June 21, 2021, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has unveiled the M-Yoga mobile app. Number 8. British lawyer Karim Khan sworn in as the new Chief Prosecutor of Answer is International Criminal Court. British lawyer Karim Khan was sworn in as the new Chief Prosecutor of the International Criminal Court, pledging to reach out to nations that are not members of the court and to try to hold trials in countries where crimes are committed. Number 9. Who became the first Indian woman to be appointed as AIBA's Coaches Committee member? Dr. Tadang Minu. Dr. Tadang Minu, based in Arunachal Pradesh, has been appointed to the Coaches Committee of the International Boxing Association, the parent body for boxing in the world. She is the first woman in the country and the second Indian to be appointed as a member of AIBA. Number 10, today's last question of the day. Name the Indo-American chemist who has been honored with prestigious European Inventor Award 2021. Answer is Sumita Mitra. Indian-American chemist Sumita Mitra, the first to have successfully integrated nanotechnology into dental material to produce stronger and more aesthetically pleasing feeling, has been honored with the European Inventor Award 2021 in the non-European patent office countries categories. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and share as more as you can. Thank you so much for watching.